Now we've been looking at HTML and block comments to connect the dots between what a block theme programmatically looks like and how they're different from classic themes. But really the key differences come when we look at the template editor or the full site editing experience. And this is how we can take what I just showed you and build those components within WordPress and not necessarily even within HTML. So some questions I want to answer here are, how do we create a block theme within WordPress? How do we take an existing block theme and make it yours or personalize it? Or how do we take a site logo within the header of the site and replace it with the site title perhaps? What you may have noticed here is that these three questions have a hierarchy to them. And that's very paramount to full site editing, because there is creating, which is coming up with all of the templates, the designs, the colors, the whole lot. Then the personalization or personalizing, where we take a theme and we make it ours. We make it fit our site and our look and feel that we're going for. And then the last is editing. It's how do we augment what the theme provides, like the default templates, how do we change those and make them ours? This hierarchy is very pertinent to full site editing, as everything that we're going to talk to you from this point on references this same flow here.